Hit me.
Let's chase.
Okay, but I got Kiko trying to trudge up the mountain.
Kiko, I'm gonna get you, Kiko! Kiko, I'm coming to get you.
Don't walk in the sledge path. Alright, can you put him in my lap?
Put him on your lap?
Sit in my, wait, let me get my other leg. Here.
Oh wow, you made it nice.
Ready? Can you push it?
Yeah.
1, 2, go!
Kiko, let me get your face. Let me see your face.
I'm gonna go by myself.
Kiko, can I see your face?
You go over there so I can get up.
Oh, look, he's going to help his mommy up. Nope, maybe not. There comes good old brother-in-law. All right. Signing off from the blizzard of 2009.
2009.
Woo-hoo! Uh-oh, we got some dance here. The blizzard dance. This boy was born in a blizzard. Uh-oh. We got a... We got WWF action here on Cool in front of the car.